Are you kidding me?
I know, right?
This is exciting stuff right now.
Tell me what you know. Tell me right now. Today I'm going to walk you through my daily 2,000 calorie diet. Everything I do on a daily basis, from the first thing I drink in the morning to the last meal I eat a day, and I'm going to do it with a dear friend, Steve!
Hey, Bryan! What's up?
So good to see you.
Yeah, it's so good to see you.
Long. I have something to give you.
Nice.
Yeah. You know, like I guess before people typically take a shot, get in the right mind state, this is going to be extra virgin olive oil.
Oh, wow.
To Forever Tomorrows.
Actually, it tastes really good.
Isn't that delicious?
Yeah.
It's 15% of my diet.
15%?
Yeah, every day. 3 tablespoons a day.
3 tablespoons is 15% of your diet?
So I'm gonna show you everything we do today.
Yeah.
I think so. What's so cool about you, Steve, so last month, you got ranked on the Rejuvenation Olympics leaderboard.
I was surprised, to be honest with you.
It's amazing.
I couldn't believe that I was even anywhere in the top area because of, I'm a biohacker for sure.
He's a cyborg, you idiot.
I travel, I still do 200 shows a year for like 17 years. My circadian rhythm's completely off because I'm just like zooming and zipping all across the country and the world.
There's only 25 people on the leaderboard. You're there among like the best of the best. So you're a great example of living life to the fullest. Right. And you're taking care of yourself.
Right.
All right, let's go over here. Let me show you what we started.
Okay, cool.
All right, so let's see. So first thing, when I wake up in the morning, I have a drink I call the Green Giant. And this has 13 milligrams of spermidine, 7.6 grams of aminos, 0.5 grams of creatine, 20 grams of collagen peptides, and 500 milligrams of cocoa flavanols, cinnamon.
I love cinnamon.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. A little mountain of rejuvenation.
So do you want to do the honors with a stir?
Are you kidding me?
I know, right?
This is exciting stuff right now. Oh,
I know, I feel the same way about this.
Dude, I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah.
All right, I think it's ready now.
I think it's ready.
Let's taste the Green Giant, guys. We're doing it. Wow, here we go. I can't wait. Whoa. That's really good.
Surprising.
It's really good. So you only have like one of these a day?
One a day.
You can't do more? Or is this too much stuff?
Too much stuff.
You inherit too much power.
Yeah, that's fun. That's a good way of doing it. I like that, Steve.
Oh, wow.
That was the most beautiful intake of Green Giant I've ever seen in my life. that was so amazing.
It just tastes so good. I want it all. I want all of it.
Normally I would take 60 some odd pills with that.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, so this is our bag of goodies. So let's get you going. Brocomax. So this is just
oh, broccoli. Like what's inside broccoli?
Yep. Astaxanthin, ashwagandha, calcium alpha ketoglutarate.
I don't know what that is.
What are you even saying?
This is among the best interventions for aging.
Wow.
Really compelling evidence for improving the frailty index. Basically, you age in a more healthy way.
Right, okay.
You're less frail. Vitamin D3.
Oh, D3, K2?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
So hopefully this is a good starter pack for you.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna go like this. Done.
You are a pro.
I know.
I'm so impressed.
I'm done. I'm good.
Wow.
I'm a mess. But
it doesn't matter.
It goes all down one go.
You cannot get into trouble in my pantry. It's like, so let's say we're here hanging out.
Yeah.
And we're like, let's get
the bad food. All the bad foods in the pantry, the chips and the popcorn.
There's just nothing in here to do.
This is like the healthiest pantry in the world.
Okay, all right, Steve has now drank his Green Giant. He's taken his pills. And Steve did such a magnificent job drinking his Green Giant with more enthusiasm and creativity than anyone I've seen. I was going to prepare the Super Veggie for him, which is the first meal of the day, but really I think I'm going to enjoy more watching Steve. Every calorie has had to fight for its life to be included. Okay. So what we have here is 300 grams of black lentils, that's weighed cooked, broccoli, cauliflower, maitake mushrooms, cumin, hemp seeds, and this is ginger and garlic, and apple cider vinegar. Yeah, do as you please.
Okay.
Assemble it in whatever way you want.
Okay, plop that in there. All right, look at that. Okay, let's get the cauliflower in. We got one.
That's good.
No, that one fell, it didn't make the cut, but I'm not gonna waste it. I'm not gonna waste it. I'm a messy guy, Brian. I'm sorry, I'm a messy guy. Last but not least, here's a salad dressing. Can I get into it right now?
Do it.
This is definitely the healthiest breakfast I've ever had in my life. I like it because, one, it's the Bryan Johnson blueprint protocol, and I love that.
Cool.
So I know that's helping my organs.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, it's all about the organ health, right?
That's right.
Yeah, you gotta think of them like little cartoons, right? Like
That's
they have
right.
the little faces, like,
Yeah, that's exactly.
like
No.
dancing around,
Yeah.
like, you know?
Yeah. When you visualize that, it is actually helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you animate them.
I see it. I see it right now. My heart's jumping like all happy and shit.
So if you were like, what the f is happening?
So good.
Cool. Awesome.
Nice one, Brian.
Yes.
Amazing.
And so much food.
I know. This is a lot of food.
It takes me 34 minutes to eat this. I have a puree version. And so
All right.
I'm gonna show you a pro move here.
Okay.
So that was amazing.
Yeah.
There's two other things you can make it to make it even more amazing.
Okay.
So we had a shot of extra virgin olive oil when you showed up.
Yeah.
So you can add the extra virgin olive oil to this and the hemp seeds. And this is then dark chocolate. So dark chocolate's one of the most powerful things you can have in your diet. People think chocolate, Snickers bar, might as well.
Yeah.
Not a good idea.
Yeah.
Put that cookie down!
What you really want is 5 layers deep, which is dark chocolate, undutched, tested for heavy metals, and looking at high polyphenol count. So you have to really drill down to find the highest quality ingredient.
Okay.
That's true for the olive oil, it's true for everything else.
We're gonna just get a little artsy right now. Okay, there's that. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's really good. That was my first taste. I just you know what? I just gave up. That's okay. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. There we go. Oh, it's a little messy, Brian, but you know that's how
Beautiful.
I am. Okay, can I just jump in now?
Yes, jump in.
Right. I think I like this better.
I do too.
Yeah. It's easier to like, you don't have to. You get the same flavor. Actually, a little bit more flavor here.
Yeah, I agree.
You get more flavor because you get the olive oil, the chocolate. For people that don't eat vegetables that much,
Ah, good. We don't want any vegetables.
it's like you take a few bites, but like you eat 34 minutes of vegetables, it's a lot.
You can't do it.
But this makes it a lot easier.
Yeah. I'm so happy Steve is here with me. This is the most enthusiastic response I've ever seen in my entire life. And he speaks the truth. It is so hard to eat vegetables.
No, it is. It is. Find ways to make it more and more enjoyable, then you can actually do it on a consistent daily manner. You know?
Exactly.
What part of the day do you eat this?
So 7 a.m.
7 a.m.?
Yeah.
Is that when you start eating around that time?
Yeah, first meal of the day with this. So I do the Green Giant, the pills, work out, then this, then Nutty Pudding an hour later, then my third meal like 2 hours later.
Okay.
And then I finish by 11 a.m. or so. The science on fasting is not really there yet. So if somebody eats different time frames, fine, not a big deal.
Yeah.
I just like it because when I go to bed after 10 hours of fasting, I get my best sleep. So it's really all about sleep for me.
How do you deal with like being hungry? How do you deal with that? Like when it's later in the day, like.
I love it.
Dude.
What is wrong with you?
You like it?
love.
Oh, I hate it.
Oh, really?
I hate being hungry.
Yeah.
That's like a problem for me. I get hangry.
Yeah, important to note
Yeah.
though, so Steve has a preference, he has a certain relationship with hunger, different than mine. It's all fine. Everyone has their own thing, so there's no one right way. It's important to note. But like the objective is we're trying to say, if you're trying to be on the frontier of health and wellness, then this is an option to model out, but then everyone can customize it to their preference. Like Steve has a different lifestyle he maintains, and he's doing really well in health and aging, so this is really meant to showcase different ways of accomplishing the same goal. It's great.
Welcome to the future. May cause loss of age.
This kind of captures the whole project.
Yeah.
Chin goes here, forehead here, and it measures 10 biomarkers in the face. Red light therapy, what you do. So we have these two guys custom made.
Yeah.
So I do this 3 times
So
a week.
you just stand in there?
Yeah. You're getting close to temp. Do you feel it?
Yeah, it feels great.
Yeah, doesn't it? It feels like the womb.
Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Yeah, it strengthens your entire core.
Woo!
Tell me what you know. Tell me right now. So this is the next thing. I think you're gonna love this one. This is called Nutty Pudding. So some macadamia nuts, walnuts, flaxseed, pomegranate juice, sunflower lecithin, also a cup of macadamia milk, pea protein, and berries. And so if you want, same here, you can just add these ingredients, stir it up.
All right, get in there. And this is just a mix of berries.
That's right.
Yeah.
And so you choose your berries, you know, whether you want blues or blacks, or strawberries or raspberries. But this one, I think you may experience what I do.
Yeah.
The saddest moment of my day is the last bite of Nutty Pudding.
Nutty Pudding is something everyone would want. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is dessert.
It is.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so good. This is amazing.
Very good. It's delicious. It's an excellent effort.
It's the best dessert you can possibly have.
Nothing here is a nice to have. Everything has a specific purpose for your body.
Wow. You need to create your own like Bryan Johnson.
Nutty Pudding.
You have to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, look what you do with Venmo. Come on. you can do this. I mean, if you
Thanks,
do that,
I appreciate that encouragement.
I mean, you did Venmo. Come on, man.
Yeah.
You guys gotta try this one. This is so good. I might have like dripped off my mouth into it, but I got a healthy mouth right now.
Now, for all of you who watch this video, the entire Blueprint protocol is online. All the recipes, all the supplements, everything is there for you for free. So you can try this in
free.
In your step-by-step fashion. You can start with baby steps. You can go into the entire program. But hopefully you'll try it out. You'll experience it what I did, which is you start gradually changing your life. You feel better than you ever have before, and life, you just want to hold on to it as tight as you can because life is just amazing. So it's all there for you for free. So check it out. Steve, you're an inspiration. I hope that more people be like you in your vivaciousness, your love of health, and then also experience your beautiful artistry, which really you're such a remarkable person. So thank you for coming here and hanging out. I hope all of you enjoyed this. And till next time. All right, my friend.
All right, brother.